What's up, people? Do you have a YouTube channel or an online presence and wonder what will help you increase your engagement? Well, write a good script. How will you write a good script? I would suggest you to use action words. By using action words, you will be able to paint a picture in your audience mind. I've created more about this and I've uploaded the video. I have linked the link in the description, that is 3 dots above the like button. While you hit the like button, just go to the description and click the link. It will send you to the video that I have made.